honestly speaking, guys, just first impressions, okay? First things first, the sound is so much better than the GT 4-door hybrid. To be honest, when I drove the GT 4-door hybrid for the first time ever, the GT63 SE Performance, I was totally disappointed by the sound. This one, however, the GT63 SE Performance 2-door, the sound is absolutely fire. Oh, it's fast!